Hi everyone! Did you know that LinkedIn is low-key a good place to find and apply for jobs? Well, now you do. I'm Rahima and I'm going to tell you how to use LinkedIn on your job search. Careers Portal is your one-stop shop when it comes to finding learnerships, internships and bursaries, as well as any information you may need about studying and your future career. Okay, so LinkedIn. First, let's get into how to create a LinkedIn profile. So what you'll have to do is go to the LinkedIn website and then click on the button that says New to LinkedIn, Join Now or Sign In via Google, which will use the Gmail account you've logged in with. If you didn't sign in with Google, you need to fill out your email address and make a password. Then click on Agree and Join, and then that's it. You've created a LinkedIn profile. Once you've done this, you should then tailor your profile. Write your personal profile in the first person narrative and give an attractive summary that shows who you are and what your professional aspirations are. Also make sure that you upload a good professional photo of yourself. Be sure to check for any grammar errors or spelling mistakes. It's the small things that sometimes disqualifies us. LinkedIn will then ask you what your current employment status is. Instead of merely writing unemployed, rather substitute this with a phrase that shows that you are ready and able to work. For example, write something like the following: supply chain management graduate looking for challenging employment position. Next, you'll need to write up a summary. This is almost like a short cover letter explaining who you are and what you do. LinkedIn works kind of like a CV. You need to include all the details of your current and previous employment. It is important to go into detail. Give the name of the company that you worked for, explain the position and exactly what you did. You can also add skills to your profile. So you might want to know, how do you find or apply for jobs using LinkedIn? Go to the home screen and click on jobs. Then type the industry or position you are looking for in the search bar. You also see a bunch of jobs that match your qualification that will pop up on your profile. Once you find the job you're interested in, click on it and then see what the requirements are. You will then click on the apply button and then follow the prompts providing all the information they need for you to apply. LinkedIn is a great way to connect with people as well. This means that you can also speak to the people that work at the company, as this information is also available on LinkedIn. You can also reach out to alumni of your university or college you shared a major with, or participated in similar activities for tips. Comment down below what your top job search tip is, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.